versus informal language. Excuse me, would it be possible to disclose the location of this evening's event? Where's the party at? Thank you for the information. Thanks for the info. Formal language is academic and proper. We use complete sentences and punctuation. Informal language is casual, so it mirrors the way that we talk to each other. We use abbreviations, and sometimes even numbers. So is the difference between formal and informal language clear now? Great. If you understand the difference between formal and informal language, that's going to help you understand the difference between essay writing and narrative writing.
Essay writing is linear and formulaic. The primary purpose of an essay is to explain, inform, or persuade. It follows a set structure with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Think of a burger. Narrative writing is more creative. You use descriptive language and dialogue, so conversation between characters. Writers usually use more pronouns like I, he, she, and they when they're writing narratives. Hockey is a popular sport in which two teams use sticks to direct a ball or puck into the opponent's goal. Is this an example of essay writing or narrative writing? If you said essay writing, you're right. The primary purpose of this sentence is to inform or explain. As the puck glided straight into the goal, he threw his arms in the air and exclaimed, "Woohoo!" Here we see the pronoun he and informal, casual dialogue, so we know this is an example of narrative writing.
I'm very much looking forward to seeing you again. See you next time. I'm out.